TrueCar.com went public this morning at the NASDAQ. The auto website helps consumers learn the right price to pay for a car by telling them what everyone else is paying. The stock priced at $9, which was a little bit below the planned range, but it shot up higher and now is currently trading over $10 a share. Joining me now is the CEO, Scott Painter. So Scott, where do you see the growth for TrueCar.com?
Well, I think TrueCar.com obviously ushers in the future of car buying. It's a better way to buy a car, and it really empowers consumers to be experts, even if they're a first-time car buyer. They get to see all the data about what everyone else paid, and then upfront pricing information and guaranteed savings from the dealers. But at the same time, we're a very small company. We're a nascent brand. We've only got 3.2% market share in the US, and while in one dimension, that's a lot. That's almost 50,000 customers a month buying a car using the TrueCar platform and going to our TrueCar certified dealer network. But we obviously want to grow that awareness. We want to solve more of the problem for the consumer, and we think that the process of buying a car is just a really big problem set.
Well, as you mentioned, the consumer, if they're educated and they have lots of information going into the dealer, there's certainly help. But you're also planning to help dealers. How are you going to do that?
Well, at the end of the day, I think it's a lot harder for a dealer to sell a car than people really realize. Most consumers think that car dealers make 20% profit when they sell a car, and really the reality is that dealers are making 2 to 4%, closer to $1,000 a car on an average $30,000 vehicle. So it's just a really tough environment. And if you're a customer looking for a Toyota in Los Angeles, California, there's only one of about 57 dealers that's going to get that sale. So I think it's much harder today to be a dealer, and consumer behavior has fundamentally changed. Everybody goes online for better product information, and really where we focus is on price discovery and price confidence, and that's really the step you take before you buy.
And you're also looking at getting into lending, correct?
Well, we're not going to get into lending. We're actually going to make the process of applying for a loan available on the mobile app and over the website, so that you can actually have a better experience when you get to the dealership. Obviously, a lot of people don't pay cash for their car, so helping them to facilitate that process and make it easier is certainly one of our big objectives coming out of this.
All right, are you planning on any acquisitions with these proceeds?
I think certainly having a public currency allows us to think that way. We've been a private company for quite a while. We've been an acquisitive business. I don't think we have anything teed up right now, but for us, we're always looking for opportunities to solve more of the problem and innovate in that space.
All right, well, congratulations on a successful IPO this morning. That's Scott Painter, the CEO at TrueCar.com over at the NASDAQ, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.